Welcome back, YouTube. I'm Craig DZ. Welcome to the channel, Outdoors with Craig DZ. Today, my plow finally arrived for the Polaris RZR 1000 S. So I'm gonna put that in and install it and kind of show you guys the process. I mean, it's a Denali Pro plow. It shouldn't take me more than 45 minutes to an hour, hopefully, to install it. The only thing, which I talked to both support sites when I actually tried to order it from sidebystydstuff.com. However, they didn't have it, so I ordered it through, I think, everything Polaris RZR.com, and then they ended up not having it anyways, and I had to wait, but it's finally here. But my only question was, I think from the pictures and stuff, I may have to move this bad dog skid plate bumper. I might have to adjust that, so we'll see how it goes. But it's cold. I'm gonna have my space heater running, keep me warm. So sorry if it picks up any noise when I'm doing things. I'll try and turn it off if I remember, but sorry in advance. I'm gonna open up everything and kind of take a look at parts and instructions and see what we got to do. So stay tuned, guys. All right, so I did find the missing box. It was just in the corner. But so the missing box, this is the actual plow mount system. Some nice colorful instructions and some type of mounting hardware here. So I'll look through the instructions and we'll see. This is the piece, kind of what I was talking about, that is gonna mount pretty much, I think right here and right here is pretty much right where that guard is. So I may have to do some cutting to kind of retrofit it, but we'll see. So stay tuned. Here is box number 2. This is the actual plow mount, kind of the lifted arms, the push mount for the plow. So looks like everything's here, but just opening up the boxes and checking before I get too far. But I'm pretty sure all I have to do is install this bracket and the rest should be quick disconnect. So all of this in the plow will actually stay outside. So let's see how it goes. Oh boy, I didn't install any of that. But yeah, if you have the bad dog bumper, it looks like it's a pain in the butt to get that thing off. But hopefully the hardest part is past us. I really like the look of it, so I still may try and put it back on, but it took me probably a good 40 minutes to get 5 bolts off. So that, yeah, about 45 minutes to get 5 bolts off. So that was fun. But yeah, I think this should go on fairly easy. By myself, I'm gonna probably struggle a little bit trying to, because that piece of steel is pretty heavy. So stay tuned. Heater kicked on. Sorry about that, guys. So there you have the basic mounting bracket installed. So there's 2 bolts here, I think with welding bolts they call it on the back. There's another 2 on each corner, and then underneath you have 2, and that secures it. For me, I'm not going to do it in this video, but again, I had to take this piece off, kind of my skid plate. Start working on next will be the actual plow. So I'm going to start assembling the plow. So I'll unbox that too and put the arms on it and everything. So stay tuned. Here's the plow fully assembled. Only issue I did have, you can kind of see it from here, see if I can get a different angle, but this bracket, the blade was bent a little bit, so when I bolted it back, it bent it back pretty close, but there's a little bit of a gap down there. Got the side markers on, the skids, which, you know, really won't know if I have to adjust them until we get some snow. I think it might be too high right now, but again, won't really know until get some snow, so I'll leave them like that, I guess. But yeah, overall going pretty good. Next step is we have to mount it to the actual push bracket and put the springs on it, and after that should be good to go to mount it up. So stay tuned shortly. Apologize guys, but I got some new cameras, and the one camera that's doing the other angle, I guess the SD card's full or something, so I'll have to check it. But so I'll just do some updates with this camera. Stay tuned. All right, and there we go guys. I am done. Didn't get to the windshield. I'll probably make a separate video for that. And just a little spoiler, I have the soft doors as well to basically almost fully enclose it. So here's the back. You can see I got my winch hooked up off the ground now a few inches. Put on the tensioners. There's a spring here that locks it for the swivel. Overall, I mean, the hardest part was taking off my aftermarket bumper piece there, which took me like 45 minutes. The actual installing the bracket and mount on the side-by-side was pretty quick and easy, maybe 20 minutes. Again, use a jack if you don't have a friend or somebody that can hold you. That definitely saved me a lot of hassle. And then the plow itself looks beautiful. Won't know how well it works until we get some snow here, but I mean, we're Thanksgiving week, so probably in the next couple weeks, in the next couple weeks we should get the tester out. I'll do a video on it. Again, I probably I need to adjust probably the spacers on the corners. I'm not sure, you know, if it's going to be too high, too low, but I'll adjust that probably on the first plowing. And again, another video for the windshield and doors. Doors haven't come in yet, the soft ones. So we'll see. If for some reason we're supposed to get some snow prior to them coming in, I'll end up just installing the windshield for now temporarily. And then with my DeWalt heated jacket, I mean, this thing's going to be an awesome plowing machine. Comments below, guys, if you have any questions. Link in the description for this plow, where I purchased it, price. All in all, I want to say I spent about $1,800. Keep in mind that did include the windshield and the doors, so that was probably, I think, another $400 maybe a little bit more than that. So the plow and everything with the plow itself was pretty close, I think, to $1,000 with tax, maybe a little more with shipping, $1,100. But quality, everything looks good. The welds on this when I was putting it together looked good. Quick connect, everything went together nice, lined up, not missing anything. Instructions were clearly labeled, easy to follow, which is what I like. And the only other thing I need to do, which I wasn't going to put in this video, and I'm not going to do it tonight because it's already getting late and I want to make something to eat and put this stuff away, but I'll probably cut out that piece that I had to take out so I can put it back on. So when I'm not plowing in the spring, I'll have that little guard and the aesthetics back. So thanks again, guys. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and stay tuned for more future outdoors with Craig DZ. Thanks.